The start of the new year often brings with it a desire to adopt smart money habits and improve one's financial situation.
For minorities, this is especially important because research shows diverse communities fall below the national averages of emergency savings and home ownership. Now, Carlos Garcia is the CEO and founder of Finhabits, an app that can help. Carlos, what are some of the challenges that minorities may actually face when it comes to planning for retirement?
The U.S. has experienced 10 years of economic growth, but minorities are not benefiting from it. In fact, 38% of minorities don't participate in an employer-sponsored retirement plan. And I think two of the reasons why minorities have a harder time compounding their wealth is lack of access to high-quality financial services and poor money habits.
All right, so it sounds easy why this idea came about, but talk about why create Finhabits.
I created Finhabits because I want to help people like me. I want to help the minority worker in this country, and I wanted to make sure that the service was inclusive of everyone. People who didn't have access before, people who grew up in a family where in the dinner table they didn't talk about how to compound wealth. And I also wanted to create a service that allowed you to develop a smart habit over time. That means I wanted to make sure that anyone could start compounding their wealth, investing in the stock market, having access to a high-quality retirement account, and they could do it with small amounts, even with $20 per week.
All right, hearing about that, I can tell you I feel like this app is designed specifically for me. My household is exactly like that minority. We didn't talk about financial planning, but how does the app actually work?
The app is super easy to use. You can download the app, and in under 7 minutes, you have access to this account. That means you select a goal, then we recommend an investment portfolio based on your profile, and then finally, you decide how much money you want to contribute per week. In this app, it's about 3 things. We want to help people. I want to help people start investing. That's the first thing. The second thing is I want to help people learn new habits. And then finally, I want to help people grow their wealth over time. So you can do all that in the app.
So is this app open to everybody who's for, and also how important was it the app be bilingual?
The app is open to everyone in this country over 18 years old, and we want to make sure that the app was bilingual because of the Latino population in this country. We know that some Latinos will prefer to use the service in Spanish, and we wanted to make sure that it was inclusive of everyone, and that's why it's bilingual.
Carlos, can you tell our viewers where they can go for more information?
You can download the app Finhabits at the Google Store or App Store, or you can go to a website and get more information there. But the most important part is don't wait another day. You can start today. If you have to start saving for retirement, you can do it Finhabits today.
Thanks so much for your time, Carlos. We're going to share this on our website so our viewers check it out again. Just go to firstliving.net.